What's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop new post email notifications from Zotero. So if you currently have a Zotero account and every time someone make a new post you receive an email notification, this could quickly fill up your mailbox. And I'm sure this could get quite annoying if you're receiving a lot of emails and you simply can't go through the important emails in your inbox. So how do we disable this? Head over to the Zotero website, zotero.org, and sign into your account. Once you sign into your account, click your username or your name on the upper right hand side and click on settings. On the left hand side, click on email, and then you want to scroll down to where it says the notification. There is an option that says new post in group discussion. You want to uncheck this box. Go ahead and click on save notification settings. This is going to ensure that you don't receive those emails anymore. You can also take a look at those other notification options, such as someone invite me to a group. That could be something that you might want to receive email from. And there's also another option that says someone applies to a group I own. This is also something that you might want to receive email from. But the new post in a group discussion, man, that could really stock up and give you a ton of different email in your mailbox that is unnecessary. And that's it. Just go ahead and uncheck that box, click save notification settings, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple, guys.